Good day to you from wherever in the world you're connecting from. It gives me great delight to welcome you on behalf of the African Development Bank and all the partners of the Africa Investment Forum to the Africa Investment Forum's 2021 boardrooms. I am joined by leaders of our partner institutions. Patrick Dlamini, Chief Executive Officer of the Development Bank of South Africa. Professor Benedict Orama, President of the Africa Export-Import Bank. Admasu Tadese, the President of the Trade and Development Bank. Alane Bobise, Chief Executive Officer of Africa 50. Samaila Subayu, the Chief Executive Officer of Africa Finance Corporation. Mr. Mohamed Al-Jazair, the Chairman and President of the Islamic Development Bank Group. And Mr. Waina Hoyer, President of European Investment Bank. I wish to thank you all, my dear colleagues and your staff, for your excellent partnership and strategic financial support for our joint effort, the Africa Investment Forum. It is great to be back doing deals for investments in Africa, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic prevented us from having the Africa Investment Forum for 2 years. The 2021 market days for the Africa Investment Forum were to have been held in Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire in December of last year. All was set. Then Omicron hit. We had to postpone the event for the health safety of everyone. Overall, the COVID-19 pandemic did more than affect the forum. It affected investments into Africa. According to UNCTAD's Investment Trends Monitor, foreign direct investment inflows to Africa declined by 28% in the first quarter of 2020. By the end of the third quarter of the same year, greenfield projects declined by 66%, while cross-border mergers and acquisition declined by 44%. The number of announced project finance declined by 49%, with significant declines, especially for infrastructure, which declined by 47%, and fossil fuel energy projects, which declined by 41%. Yet, Africa is resilient. African economies are recovering well from the effects of the pandemic. The investment opportunities in Africa have not changed, and Africa remains the place to invest for investors looking to reap high returns and high social impacts. That is why I am delighted you have joined us today for the Africa Investment Forum's investment boardrooms. We have an impressive 500 participants. We have 300 investors from around the world represented for these investment boardrooms. I am absolutely delighted. Your participation shows that you see opportunities in Africa. You see a continent with booming entrepreneurship, a continent with high returns on investment. So welcome to Africa, a continent of immense potential, a continent with the Africa Continental Free Trade Area market size of $3.3 trillion. Welcome to Africa, a continent with investment opportunities that cannot be ignored. From opportunities for investors in infrastructure, to energy, power, transport, mining, agriculture, healthcare infrastructure, digital infrastructure, fintech, creative industries and sports, Africa offers it all. It offers it all in one place, on one platform, the Africa Investment Forum. The Africa Investment Forum is a unique transaction platform where deals get done. It is Africa's premier investment marketplace, where the African Development Bank and its partners advance projects to bankable stages, raise capital, and accelerate the closure of deals. In 2018 and 2019, the Africa Investment Forum attracted about $80 billion in investment interests to Africa, These investments are already changing the face of Africa in many ways. The $600 million deal for the Ghana Cocoa Board signed during the 2019 edition is already helping Ghana to be on track to expand its cocoa production by 1 million tons. The $25 billion liquefied natural gas project deal in Mozambique, closed during the Africa Investment Forum in 2018, has taken off and will turn Mozambique into the third largest producer of natural gas in the world. Despite challenges of insecurity that threaten this particular project, normalcy has returned. The future is brighter today for Mozambique, thanks to the support provided by other African countries, in particular by Rwanda, South Africa, and other countries in the Southern Africa region. That, my dear friends and colleagues, that is the spirit of Africa, the spirit of Ubuntu, which in Zulu means, I am because you are. The Africa Investment Forum is here to make your investments happen in Africa. We are because you are. In the spirit of Ubuntu, the Africa Investment Forum is a connector, connecting project sponsors, investors, financiers from public to private sectors. It helps to mitigate investor risks by deploying a suite of risk guarantees, including partial risk guarantees, as well as partial credit guarantees to reduce risks to investments. It works with governments to put in place policies, legal and regulatory frameworks for investments to thrive. Today, as we gather, we have curated for you 42 project deals with a combined value of $58 billion. There are several investment opportunities. They include a $247 million special agro-industrial processing zones in northern Côte d'Ivoire. They include a $3.3 billion East Africa Railways corridor that will connect Tanzania to Burundi and the Democratic Republic of Congo. It has another component that will link Rwanda itself to Tanzania. They include a $15.6 billion transport corridor highway that will link Lagos to Cotonou, Lomé, Accra, and of course, Abidjan, where I'm speaking to you from this morning. They include healthcare projects to develop a state-of-the-art Accra medical city. They include a digital health transaction and a fund to support universal healthcare coverage for low-income patients. They include the $545 million VZ lithium mine project in the Democratic Republic of Congo, which will be critical for the global electric car industry. We have several projects on renewable energy projects as well as in oil and gas. Oh, I love movies, and I love Nigerian movies in particular. We have a $140 million film academy in Nigeria. I am particularly excited that we have deals as well of women-led businesses worth $5 billion. Why am I excited? Well, when women win, Africa wins. There are many more. The expectations are high. The deals are ready. The Africa Investment Forum is all about deals. We have government leaders in the investment boardrooms. We have ministers. We have CEOs of major corporations. We have heads of financial institutions. We have project sponsors. We have investors. Most importantly, we have you. So let the deals begin. Welcome once again, and thank you very much.